let's style the famous butterfly corset top. I am extremely nervous this is not going to fit, just based on the mechanics of when I hold it up. But I am staying hopeful. Okay, it laces up in the back. I really wish I had someone to help me put it on. A lot of people in part 1 said that they would be scared to break it. It actually feels remarkably sturdy. I've never been so happy to be proven wrong. I pulled about 25 muscles lacing it up. This is incredible. Even giving me cleavage. Few skirt options. That's amazing because it's also iridescent. It's not bad. It feels a little too clubby, not whimsical enough. Definitely do it this way to like a fancy event. In my brain, I just feel like you have to be Tinkerbell. I want something with ruffles. Is that the wrong colour though? Please hold. I actually bought this dress to wear on my birthday, ruining that for myself. I want to see if I can just wear the skirt part. Oh, I totally can. No, the gold's cheesy. I'm just adding a little safety pin instead. I love it! As we all know, I have a plethora of butterfly shoes. Lace Up Versace. These are not technically butterflies, but I feel like you all think they are. Or the Sophia Webster. Has to be these. Extra ethereal, do the butterflies in the hair. In the world, I would do long extensions with this as well. Definitely my favorite thing I've ever bought. Now I want to wear it for Halloween. What should I be? See you tomorrow.